Alright guys, we're here. Early morning, a little late. The homie, Soka.
Woke up late because my friend came over.
My friend. Here in at U-Haul right now, we're gonna pick up our trailer for the bikes. We're gonna take a little cruise today down in Saratoga, Santa Cruz area, maybe Highway 1. But I think that might be our trailer right there. Alright guys, it looks like we're all good to go. Like I said, we're gonna be going out today, but my boy had to wake up late. So I think the lady's gonna hook us up and get our trailer a little earlier, so I'm gonna back into this thing right now. Let's go, sleepyhead.
It doesn't matter.
Lance is about to load up his Hayabusa. Oh yeah, there's enough room, man. We'll be all right. All right, guys. Lance is gonna put the battle hopper in the trailer since he can flat foot.
He's twice younger than us, and he's twice taller than us.
And it's twice wider than us too.
What?
Go, Lance!
Oh, car.
Oh,
Holy
shit! That was almost the end of our day right there, man. Good job, Lance. How was it, man?
I don't like your tires.
What's wrong with my tires? They're round like everyone else's tires.
Going on reverse.
We're here, guys, in lovely San Jose.
Are you used to do this?
Oh yeah, all the time. Like out of my driveway.
Out of my driveway.
I would. This R1 with the Toast exhaust is so loud, it makes my helmet drone. And then, you know, like I said, it sounds like a Subaru, so. Other than that, man, that bike is nice. For real. And, you know, mine's 600, so it's like real high pitch compared to his. This thing is nice. I kind of want some gold wheels like he does. So, I'll talk back with you guys once we get to a better area. Alright. What do you do? Just be Soka, bro.
Hey, it's me. Follow me.
So, I was just talking about being lost, and we're actually lost right now. So, catch you guys in a bit. Just this past few miles, I kind of repositioned my foot on the peg. So instead of having like the middle of my foot on the peg, I actually have the front of my toe, like where my ball is. But it's so nice out here, guys. I hope everyone's doing good. Our state, California, said that our COVID-19 thing's lifted. But you know, it's not gonna be that easy where everything goes back to normal. So we'll see how it goes, man. But other than that, super nice out here. So our plans for this year, man, me and Soka's gonna practice a little bit more for me to get more seat time. Just ride around. But we're gonna hit the track, both on the racetrack, quarter mile, and you know, both on like a MotoGP track or something, like an actual track. But it'll be fun. But that's gonna be a long time because you know, I'm just gonna get as much seat time as I can. Take a few courses and that's it. So my bike likes cruising like this, because anytime it goes down to 180, man, it likes cruising like this, so it's pretty nice. And this is the kind of the pace that I want Christine to ride at, you know. These guys are definitely too fast for me, but just to be able to cruise like this is just nice sometimes. Whoa, we're at the beach! We're at the beach! Yo, welcome to Santa Cruz Boardwalk. So nice. Woo! Yeah! Love it. Look at that place. Yeah! I gotta be super careful over here, man, because this place is a shit show of drivers. Shit show of drivers. Oh, woo! Hey! Yeah. Drive through? Can we go in? I got it. Hey, right here. Right here, bro. Look. Alright guys, we're here at Santa Cruz and we decided to get some L&L. But because of this COVID-19 pandemic, we gotta go ahead and eat outside.
Eat in peace. Fantastic.
Mr. Homeless Guy.
Make sure you crop some hair on my head.
Oh, I will. I will. No, don't worry. I'll cut this out. Alright guys, we're just gonna ride around Santa Cruz for a little bit. Then we're probably gonna head home. But definitely a nice ride, so if you guys are ever out here, make sure you guys go through that pass towards Saratoga, or from Saratoga. But it's so nice out here, man. Look at this. Heckin' nice. a Subaru though. And it's a girl. Oh, look at that guy. That guy's awesome. Yeah, so for everyone wondering, this is how Santa Cruz looks right now. A bunch of cones and a bunch of ass. I mean, a bunch of cones and a bunch of parking places where you can't really park. Super nice. Super nice. But I guess you can go to the beach. Just people with boogie boards and stuff. The water looks kind of dirty and cold though. But yeah, man, this is what it looks like. I mean, it's closed. You can't really go there, you know. But there is a bunch of people everywhere. I mean, if you were to look at it, there's a bunch of people everywhere. Look at this vet right here. Oh, look at this buff guy. Alright. Stay fit, homie. Yeah. Little bit of troll. Oh shit. Huh? Hi. Woo. Hey. Oh my god. I guess we're going off-road. Off-road! Alright, man, we just came through from the Santa Cruz coastline, and no one's there because of the COVID-19 thing, but we went through these tracks right here. But you know, it's all good. We're gonna hit up Highway 1 and get some beach shots, and then we're gonna head back. So thanks for joining, thanks for tuning in. See you guys in a little bit. Hey, do a burnout. All right, guys, we're here on Highway 1. Check out some view.
You wanna go play on the swing?
Long walk down.
Look at. The mirrors, that thing looks like Batman with two faces.
Let's see.
It's like Batman.
Oh yeah, I've been here before.
You been down there?
Yeah, not down there. I didn't go down there.
Have you been here before?
Yeah.
I pushed you a little bit and I went.
All right, guys, we're here at the beach with the guys. This is probably the end of our ride. So we're just gonna head back.
Stay away from the cliff.
Stay away from the cliff. But you know, if you guys ever want to come over here, there's a swing over there.
Davenport. Yeah, you guys can play.
Davenport, off of Highway 1, California coast. Can you pronounce that? Davenport.
No, Davin.
Davenport? Do it, man. Dab. See that? He's 17. I knew it. I knew it. Yeah. Yeah, so we're probably going to ride back. Maybe the same direction. Super nice day.
You get down to that swing, you deserve it.
Thanks for tuning in. Twist of the Risk.
Twist of the Risk.